Rabarbar Barbara.
Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a lady named Barbara who loved to make chocolate bars.
Everyone in the village loved Barbara's chocolate bars, but the most loved of all was a delicious rabarbar.
Since everyone loved Barbara's rubber bar so much, the villagers came to call her rubber bar Barbara.
Rabarbar Barbara soon realized that she could sell her rabarbars to make some money, so she opened a bar and called it Rabarbar Barbara's Rabarbar Bar.
Stories of rubber bar Barbara's rubber bar spread far and wide, and rubber bar Barbara's rubber bar bars soon filled with customers, many of whom came back time and again.
Her most regular customers were a group of three barbarians who came every day to Rabarbar Barbara's Rabarbar Bar to eat Rabarbar Barbara's magnificent rabarbars.
They were there so often that the villagers started to call them the rubber bar Barbara's rubber bar barbarians.
Each Rabarbar Barbara's Rabarbar Barbarian had a beautiful thick beard, and they called them the Rabarbar Barbara's Rabarbar Barbarian's beard.
Then the rubber bar barbarians needed the rubber bar Barbara's rubber bar barbarians beards cut. They went to the barber.
There was only one barber in the village who could cut a Rabarbar Barbara's Rabarbar Barbarian's beard. So the Rabarbar Barbara's Rabarbar Barbarians knew him as the Rabarbar Barbara's Rabarbar Barbarian's beard barber.
While he trimmed their beards, the rubber bar Barbara's rubber bar barbarians told the rubber bar Barbara's rubber bar barbarians bearded barber all about rubber bar Barbara's rubber bar
Barbara and
their
her
wonderful
wonderful
rubber
rabarbar.
bars.
The thought of Rabarbar Barbara's Rabarbars made the Rabarbar Barbara's Rabarbar Barbarian's beard barber very thirsty for a special kind of beer, which he laughingly called the Rabarbar Barbara's Rabarbar Barbarian's beard barber's beer.
The rubber bar Barbara's rubber
Bar.
barbarians
Beard
bearded
barber's beer
could only be bought at one bar in the area. The rubber bar Barbara's rubber bar barbarians barber beers bar beer bar
Beard barbers. Beard barbers.
beard barbers beer bar.
The barmaid who served the Rabarbar Barbara's Rabarbar Barbarian's beard barbers beer at the Rabarbar Barbara's Rabarbar Barbarian's beard barber's beer bar was named Barbie. So everyone called her Barbie, the barmaid from the Rabarbar Barbara's Rabarbar Barbarian's beard barber's beer bar.
After the rubber bar Barbara's rubber bar barbarians bearded barber had finished cutting the rubber bar Barbara's rubber bar barbarian's beard, the rubber bar Barbara's rubber bar barbarians took him with them to the rubber bar Barbara's rubber bar barbarian's bearded barber's beer bar to collect Barbie, the barmaid from the rubber bar Barbara's rubber bar barbarian's beard barber's beer bar.
Then they all went to Rabarbar Barbara's Rabarbar Bar, so that the Rabarbar Barbara's Rabarbar Bar Barbarian's beard barber and Barbie, the barmaid from the Rabarbar Barbara's Rabarbar Barbarian's beard barber beers bar, could finally meet Rabarbar Barbara and eat some of her wonderful rabarbar with a nice refreshing glass of Rabarbar Barbara's Rabarbar Barbarian's beard barber's beer. Cheers! Go!